talking about connecting the expanded and standard algorithm. Okay? So our objective today is going to be understanding both the expanded and standard algorithms and using them to help multiply. Okay? Let's underline the important parts. We have both the expanded and standard algorithms. Okay, that's not too straight, but that's the best I have. And using them to help multiply. Okay? And expanded and standard algorithms is the whole lesson, so I'm not going to explain that in the objective. And of course, you should know what multiplying is, and we're going to be using that to help us multiply. Okay, so now that we know what our lesson is going to be about, let's get started. Okay, so first we have the expanded algorithm. Okay, so I'm going to explain this. We have a problem. Let's use 4 times 73. Okay, this is how the expanded algorithm works. Okay, you're going to create partial products. In fact, I'm going to write that down because that's the big part of expanded algorithm. We have partial products. Okay, and what that is you have two different products. You have 4 times 3 and 4 times the 7, and you add those two numbers up to get the whole product. That's why it's called partial. Partial means half of something or a part of something. Okay, if you look at this, it says part. Partial products, it's part of the whole product. When you add both of them together, you get the whole product. Okay, so let's figure this out. We have 4 times 3. First part, we have 12. So you're going to write the actual answer down here. Okay, next, we're going to do 4 times 7. But that's not what we're actually doing, is it? Right? No, it's not. Because it has a place value. Remember that it's 73, right? So this 7, if we look in the place value chart, this is 1s, this is 10s, right? 73. 7 is in the 10th place, so if we convert all the other numbers to 0, this one holds a place value of 70. So we're multiplying 4 times 70. Okay, so let's do that. We have 4 times 7, that would be 28. 4 times 7 is 28. Then you add that 0 to get 280. So we have 12 plus 280. Okay, now let's do it. We have 2 plus 0. So remember, plus 2 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus 8 is 9. And 2. Okay, so 292 is our answer. Okay, so that's how you use the expanded algorithm. This is important. You have to use partial products. And of course, as you can see, this is a partial product, and this one is also a partial product, right? There, and then this, okay? That is the actual product. Okay, so now we're going to talk about the standard algorithm. Okay, so we had 2 parts to today's lesson. First was expanded. Now we have the standard algorithm. Okay, let's figure this out. How does this work? This is how you would multiply regularly. This is the basic way of multiplying numbers. Okay, so let's do 23 or 23 times 9. Okay, now this is how you would do it. Okay, we're going to do 9 times 3 like we usually would. Now we have 27, right? 9 times 3 is 27. Now here's the tricky part. This is where it kind of gets like addition. Yeah, the 1's digit goes here. And then we regroup the 10's digit. Okay, so as I'm sure you remember from one of our, from an addition, if you have, let's do that, 23 plus 9, and you would have got 12, right? You would have regrouped the number in the 10's place, right? So, same thing here. We're going to regroup the number in the 10's place, okay? Now this is how it's going to work. You're going to do 9 times 2, okay? That equals 18. You're going to add 2 there. 18 plus 2 equals 20. Now you're going to add 20 to the left side of that. The answer, 23 times 9 equals 207. Okay, so I know this one seems a little more tricky, Then the other ones, I'm going to do this one more time. I'm going to do a different problem this time though. So we have 57 times 5. Okay, so remember 7 times 5. That's simple. We have 35. Except we have the tens place is being regrouped. So we have 35. Which one is in the tens place? This one is in the tens place. So, I'm sorry, I wrote that right where we're supposed to regroup. So give me a second. Okay, yeah. That one is in the tens place. Let's write that up there. Okay, that's in the tens place. Now let's regroup. We have 7 times 5. 35. We regroup to 3. 5 times 5. That's 25. We have to add 3. You get 28. Okay, so now we add 28 to the left side there. Whole product is 285. Okay, so the first question we have is solve this problem using the expanded algorithm. So the directions, and you're going to be solving 32 times 5. Okay, so remember, make sure you read the directions and you do it using the expanded algorithm. So pause the video and give it a go yourself. Okay, so I'm assuming that you paused the video and tried it out. Now we're going to check your answer. So we have 5 times 2. Okay, that's 10. Then we have 5 times 30 because the 3 holds a value of 30. So 5 times 30. 5 times 3 is 15. Carry the 0 over, we have 150. We have to add. Okay, now this is pretty simple addition. What's 150 plus 10? That is 160. Alright. Okay, so if you got this right, congratulations. Next, we have problem time. The second answer is solve this problem using the standard algorithm. Okay, the standard algorithm this time. Okay, so I want you to solve 79 times 2. Okay? So take a moment and pause the video. Okay, now we're going to check your answer. We have 9 times 2. That's 18. And remember, we're going to have to regroup the 10th number in the 10th place. Now we have 2 times 7. That's 14. So we have 14, 2 times 7. And then we have to add the 2. Plus 1 equals 15. 158 is our answer. Okay, so again, if you got that right, congratulations. Okay, so the problem we're going to be doing is 98 times 7. Okay, so first let's do it with the standard algorithm, then we'll do expanded. So for standard, we have 8 times 7. That's 56. So remember, we're going to write down the number in the ones place, and then regroup number in the tens place. And that number is 5, digit is 5. Okay, now you have 7 times 9. Okay, that's 63. Okay, plus 5. 68. There you go, that's our answer. We got that using the standard algorithm. Now let's use the expanded. We have 98 times 7. Again. And now what we're going to do is we have 7 times 8. And that's okay, that's 56. Next we have 7 times 90, because that 9 holds the place value of 10, so it's 90. 7 times 90, let's do that here. 7 times 90 equals what? So 7 times 9, okay, that is 63. Here the 0, okay, 630. Now when you add it all up, you get 6, 8, 6, okay, 686. So it looks like our answer for today is 686. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe.